The MLE wallet, which you see here, took a lot of iterations, but it really only came together once I realized that buttonhole elastic does something that none of the modern minimalist wallets can do. Because of buttonhole elastic, you can have different tensions on this side and on this side, and you just simply adjust each side independently. If I take off the elastic on this side and I cut it right here, I still get all the tension I want on the one side of the wallet. This wallet was designed to be modular. All of these 4 little holes, which work and to be able to self-tapping with M3 screws, will allow you to build onto it with small additions, which I will be including in the file. So there will be 2mm, 3mm, and 5mm additions that you can have. The 5mm addition will also provide a hole slot similar to this. So if you just simply take away the top section. Now also I will be including a base plate, so you can build completely from the ground up. In other words, just this solid center plate, and then you can then build on both sides together with just a couple of screws. So you can build any way you want, as thick as you want. You can have a couple cards on one side, a couple of cards on the other. Anyway, I just wanted to have something that anybody could print, required no supports, and then you could build it in a way that actually justifies it as a wallet over something that even you purchase that's expensive. I think in some ways, and I've used them before, like for instance the Dango wallet, it's very hard to get some of the cards out. I don't find that to be the case with this wallet. So there are some advantages. It's obviously made of PLA, but the truth is, if you end up using this for a couple of years and then you recycle it, PLA is going to be better because it's not going to sit in a landfill for a long period of time. It does biodegrade much faster. So PLA is actually a good material for this particular product. And the cool part about that is there's so many cool colors. You can make this wallet in any combination you want. You can make custom plates as well. There's just so many cool ways you can modify and adjust it. So I'm hoping you guys will give this wallet a shot. Give it a try, and if you have any feedback that you'd like to tell me, please let me know. I will adjust as I go. One thing I don't want to change, I don't want to change the dimensions of these holes to allow for all of the previous iterations to still have all of those components working together. But other than that, little things here and there, please let me know what you think, and you will see me continually adding to this over time. Well, I hope that you enjoy this. This is a great wallet. It doesn't take long to print either, and all you need with it is M3 screws and buttonhole elastic, and you got it. Good to go.